Today we'll make very easy, delicious and quite nutritious puris from raw banana. Yes, these puris are made from raw banana. They are quite healthy. Raw banana is a very healthy option for those who don't want to use potatoes, especially for aloo puri. So these are a very nice substitute and enriched with vitamins, minerals. So do try this recipe. You will love the taste. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's start with this awesome recipe of raw banana puris. For that I have taken here one large size raw banana and I have cut it into halves, and I'll pressure cook it for one whistle on high flame, and then lower the flame to medium, and then cook it for one whistle. Wait till the pressure releases and let it cool, and then you can peel the skin off in this way. So the bananas should not be overcooked. This is the most important thing to keep in mind. And now I'll grate these bananas, basically a little larger size. So just grate through the larger holes in the grater in this one. So the most important thing for a good grated raw banana is that the banana should not be overcooked. You can always use the plantain, the large one. So this is looking good now. So I'll grate my raw bananas. I have taken one large raw banana for 2 cups of flour, and to it I'll add carom seeds or ajwain around 1 teaspoon. As I said, this is very healthy recipe for diabetic patients or for those who want a healthier option. So all these ingredients have their individual health benefits. I have then added 2 finely chopped green chilies, then use cumin seeds around half teaspoon, and grated garlic I have used here 1 teaspoon. And as you know, garlic itself is a great ingredient. And then goes 2 tablespoons of chopped green coriander leaves, and then I have added red chili flakes around half teaspoon. I have already added finely chopped green chili, so this always depends upon your choice, but few bits of red chili flakes has its own flavor. And then I'll add turmeric powder around half teaspoon, and there goes salt. Adjust salt according to your taste. And now I have added all the flavoring agents. Then goes our base, that is whole wheat flour. I have added here 2 cups around 300 grams. You can either use 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour and maida, or you can always make these puris with 2 cups of maida. Completely depends upon your wish. And then I have taken 2 tablespoons of fine semolina or suji. If you do not have the fine one, just take the regular one and grind it in a mixer to make it fine. And I have used here 3 tablespoons of oil. It should be a little warm, and if you are using ghee, it should be melted. And now mix all these ingredients, and as I said, every ingredient in this recipe has its own value. And as we had used semolina or suji, this puris would be a bit crispier. So now when it's mixed nicely, I'll use warm water to knead the dough, and little by little I will add warm water and start kneading. This dough actually should not be soft, it should be medium consistency dough, and that's why we have used here warm water, and I've also used melted ghee or warm oil. So now see how nicely this dough is smooth. Just cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can see this dough has become nicely set. Now I'll just divide it into medium balls, not small balls exactly that we use for regular puris, a little more larger than the normal puri balls, and I'll sprinkle some dry flour and start rolling them. This puri should not be rolled thin, this should be rolled into medium thickness in this way, because we have added here raw banana and we have added here some spices. So the puri's thickness matter here. Just roll it to medium thickness, and I'll show you, see, in this way. And obviously if you are using a little more large dough ball, this puris will be of little more bigger size than the regular puris. I'll show you another one. Just sprinkle some dry flour and start rolling. Make sure you roll them evenly and into medium thickness. So this is looking good now, and I have heated oil on medium high flame to fry these puris. And once the oil is heated on medium high flame, reduce the temperature to medium and add one puri. Actually I fry this puri one at a time because they're little big, and this requires little different technique. And once these puris come up the oil, use a ladle to pour hot oil over the puris so that the upper surface of the puris will puff immediately. This process is really important. You have to use your ladle to pour some hot oil on the puris, and then you can flip them and cook them on both sides by flipping them alternatively, and gradually they will turn golden brown. See how nicely these puris have turned out, and as you can see from the texture, these are really crunchy, and this is looking so nice here. And who can tell there is no aloo in this puri? It's completely replica of aloo puri. And in the same way we'll fry all the puris. If the temperature again cools down for the second puri, just heat it again to medium high, then reduce to medium, add the puri, and when the puris float up, use the ladle to pour hot oil, and then it will gradually puff up. Then just flip it using your ladle or your strainer, anything you use, and just alternatively flip it to give it a nice golden look. And see how beautiful my raw banana puri is looking. And I have served this puris with a tangy tamarind and little spicy chutney, and these puris are so tasty by itself. You can always have them with some pickle or the chutney I have served. I'll share the recipe of the tasty tangy tamarind chutney in the description box. And as I said, these are very good options for those who want to avoid potatoes or any type of carbs due to some health reasons. And raw banana itself is a great ingredient with very nutritional value. So I hope you have liked this recipe. Do give this recipe a try, and if you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.